this is the most prestigious award, in fact, in the country. How much are you eagerly waiting for this award? And this time you have Mary Kom. So how much are you confident also?
Well, every year I have a film,
Yeah.
which I'm very
This time,
confident about. But it really doesn't depend on me. It depends on the jury and the people who vote. And every year I look forward, I wear my best dress and I sit down. And some days the black lady's mine and some she's not. So this year is going to be the same. I'll wear my best dress and I'll wait.
No, but this
For
time Mary Kom है तो does it? I mean, the people have appreciated the film, in fact, like a
वही तो
lot.
मैंने
तो
कहा हर साल मेरे साथ
हर
ऐसी
साल होता है,
फिल्में
but
आती
इस
हैं
बार
जो
लगता
लोग
है कि
अप्रिशिएट करते हैं कभी कभी अवार्ड मिलता है कभी कभी नहीं मिलता यू कांट सिट विथ दैट आई हैव नेवर डन माय फिल्म्स थिंकिंग कि ये फिल्म करने से मुझे एक अवार्ड मिलेगा बट जब मिलते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है बिकॉज इट्स अ सेंस ऑफ encouragement. It's a sense of feeling like, you know, you stand up in front of your colleagues and friends and your work and your hard work has been appreciated. So yeah, it's a great feeling. जब नहीं मिलता तो बुरा भी लगता है, of course, I'm not going to deny that. But it's really not up to us to sit down and say, okay, I'm going to do a film which is going to get me the Black Lady. Eventually, I think it's a decision that sometimes comes your way and it doesn't.
बट कभी ऐसे कोई अवार्ड के लिए यू हैव फेल्ट कि नहीं, दिस टाइम आई नीड एन अवार्ड एंड कभी उसके लिए कोई जात की थोड़ी मैनिपुलेशन करनी, कभी ऐसे को हुआ है?
तो किस तरह की मैनिपुलेशन से मुझे अवार्ड मिलेगा?
आई डोंट नो,
आप मुझे बता दो ना, नहीं तो फिर I'll start working on that with जितेश अभी से. क्या करने से मिलेगा मुझे?
कैसे कभी सुनने मिलता है, इनफैक्ट लाइक
मुझे नहीं पता, मैंने हमेशा कहा आपको मैं अलग
नहीं
हर
कभी
सेलिब्रिटी
शाहरुख
की
खान
तरह
also
नहीं
used
हूँ.
to say I want this award this time, so definitely it's maybe it's in a
तो
very
आपको वो हर
fun
चीज
way.
मिलती है जो आप चाहते हैं?
नहीं होता है कभी कभी, पता नहीं कभी ऐसी फीलिंग आई है. I'm just
मुझे तो हमेशा
asking
ऐसी
you.
फीलिंग आती है कि मुझे हर चीज जो मुझे चाहिए मिलनी चाहिए, लेकिन जिंदगी तो ऐसी नहीं होती ना. तो बेतुकी बातें नहीं करते. We just come back to the point that I don't think awards are great. As an artist, I'm sure अगर आप लोगों के बीच में भी awards मिलने लगे, you would want to put your best forward. कि आप अपने बेतुके सवालों की जगह ऐसे सवाल पूछेंगे. No, I know, Sohail. But I'm just saying that I think, you know, you can't control awards. Sometimes, of course, you sit down and say, oh shit, you know, I gave my best performance and I should have got an award, but you don't get it. And sometimes you don't expect it और आपको मिल जाता है. So it's not something that is in our hands. I don't think any artist, this is something I really feel. I don't think any artist should sit down and say कि मैं ये film करूँगा ताकि मुझे award मिले. I think अगर आप अपने काम को honesty से करें, तो जिस तरह का, और मेरे साथ ये बहुत हुआ है, काफ़ी फिल्में by God's grace I'm really blessed. जब मुझे इतना प्यार मिलता है audience से, लोगों से, कि I don't understand what is it that I did different. So for me, the most incredible feeling is when people like Tarun turn around and tell me कि मेरा हमारा वोट आपके पास है, हमें अपने बच्चों के साथ गया था फिल्म देखने और उनको बहुत पसंद आई फिल्म. तो जब ये सब सुनने को मिलता है, एक आर्टिस्ट को बस वही अप्रिसिएशन चाहिए होती है और अवार्ड्स भी उसी में शामिल होते हैं.
हमें तो बहुत उम्मीद है कि this time you're going to definitely get it.
Thank you.
Okay, while the mic is going around, I'll ask you a question on about Mary Kom.
Must.
You said in some interview that the fact that the Mary Kom's character was not from the Northeast is not as material. I mean, you are not from the Northeast, but
I wasn't from the Northeast.
Yeah, as a character, and I could sense it almost from the first 15 minutes of the movie that very quickly you forget that you are not the Mary Kom from the Northeast because you get so much into the character that it's almost, you know, immaterial.